Alrighty, guys. I got another weird one for you. Not really. But I want to tell you, I'm 57, and in 8 more days I'll be 58. So, as how I've been going through this bullshit, I want to point something out to you. Back in the history, way back when I was young, we had, pots and pans that were aluminum or steel. So then everybody switched over to these pots and fry pans that are covered with Teflon. That was the greatest shit back then, right? So I don't know, if you look at this shit, there's all kinds of telephone problems that has come out by the government saying, see this? See how it's kind of scraped? You ate the Teflon? Look at this, the bottom is almost silver. I don't know what this shit's made by, but it's coated with Teflon. It's not a good thing. So since my brain has gone fucking stupid, I've thought about that, and I've switched over to this Gotham stainless steel that's got the copper on the coating on the inside. And a fry pan. Made in fucking China. Or maybe just the steel, stainless steel, is made in China. Then it gets shipped to the United States, and then some company does this copper shit on the inside. I don't know, what's your choice? You know, there used to be pans, pots that were made by Revell that were stainless steel, but on the outside bottom had that copper covering. I don't know. But I'm just thinking the step ahead is going with this stainless steel with the copper, because, you know, nothing sticks to it. They tell you don't to spray it with what all that bullshit was. Spray it down with something to keep it from making the eggs stick. Nothing sticks to this copper stuff. So I'm pretty happy with it. So after I got to thinking about it, with all the bullshit that I've been going through with, you know, the brain thing, so I'm like, all that shit in the Navy, they always use Teflon in the big pots and pans, but they were, you know, with the crane, that were like 25-gallon deals. And then they went to the stainless steel ones. Were they really stainless steels, or were they copper, or not copper, aluminum? I don't know. So anyway, in my brain thinking, I'm switching this whole deal over. All the aluminum, all the steel, all these old bullshit pots and pans that we've had for, I'll say, 10 years, that goes back to the 70s and 80s. So now they're coming out with this. I'm thinking it's better, but I haven't brought it up to the doctor. I don't know. Does the FDA pass this copper shit inside the pans and pots? I don't know. But anyway, just something I'm going to. I wanted to show you the options. But I just basically want to tell you, all this bullshit with the Teflon in it, it's already been proven bad. So, think your shit out and go from there. So MT8 on the porch. Have a good thing. Talk to you later.